Hey there, I'm Rob, and in this video, let's talk about something that can seriously save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Avoiding flat tires. Constantly repairing tires can be a huge challenge for business owners. So one of our most popular problem solvers here at Gemplers is our Ultraseal tire sealant. It's a total game changer for folks running equipment day in and day out over rough terrain, nails, and harsh surfaces. Ultraseal is a flat tire preventative. When a tire with Ultraseal installed is punctured, the escaping air and centrifugal force pushes Ultraseal into the wound, where it solidifies and seals the whole tire before the tire goes flat. Which means even if you get a hole in your tire, you can keep rolling, keep running, and not have to worry about stopping to repair a flat tire. And you don't have to worry about the cold winter months. Ultraseal can function in temperatures from -40 degrees to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the perfect long-term solution because it won't dry out or separate and will last as long as the tires it's installed in. Getting Ultraseal into your tires is super simple. Start by letting the air out and remove the valve core. Once that's done, pump in the recommended amount of Ultraseal. And finally, pop the valve core back in, reinflate, and you're good to go. Ultraseal can be used on any tire, including highway speed and off-road vehicles, equipment, trailers, mowers, ATVs, etc. However, any tire that will be going at highway speeds must be properly balanced before using Ultraseal. This is important to prevent shaking and causing damage to your vehicles. Now, before you buy, you should know that Ultraseal comes in 3 different grades, and it's important to get the right sealant for your equipment. Commercial grade. It seals punctures up to 1/4 inch, and this is great for passenger, light commercial, and recreational vehicles, such as cars, pickup trucks, mowers, ATVs, and UTVs. The lower viscosity formula actually works better than the others when it comes to sealing small punctures like pinhole leaks and nail holes. Extreme grade. This is the thickest of the 3 with the most rubber particles, so it seals larger puncture wounds fastest, up to 1/2 inch. It's designed for use on industrial and off-road heavy equipment such as farming, construction, and mining equipment. Then there's Bulletproof Grade. This formula falls right in between the other 2. It can seal up to 1/2 inch punctures and is designed for heavier commercial vehicles like large trucks and trailers, and works great for other larger equipment that travels both on and off-road. So if you're tired of dealing with flat tires, wasting time and money on repairs and replacements, do yourself a favor. Check out Ultraseal. Protect your tires, save time, and keep your operation rolling. Check out all 3 grades right now at Gemplers.com.